There is now an all-out war between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party in Delhi. Did the Delhi government actually exaggerate the capital's oxygen demand during the crisis in the second oxygen wave? There is an interim report filed by a Supreme Court audit committee that seems to suggest that the Arvind Kejriwal government inflated oxygen demand 4 times than the actual consumption. The BJP says this is politics over oxygen. Let's get you this report.
April-May 2021, the national capital left gasping for its breath. Scenes that we will never forget. But a question now arises. Was this the result of a shortage of oxygen or just plain mismanagement? An interim report by the Supreme Court Audit Committee has raised serious questions of the Kejriwal government's handling of the oxygen crisis.
अब दिल्ली के अंदर ऑक्सीजन की कमी होने लगी है, रेमडेसिविर की कमी होने लगी है। आज मैंने काफ़ी लंबी एक चीज़ के ऊपर मीटिंग ली थी सभी ऑफिसर्स के साथ।
Remember these pleas for oxygen from Chief Minister Kejriwal? Well, it turns out that the government had greatly exaggerated the oxygen demand up to 300% more than what was required.
Changed calculation formulas, missing data and simple clerical errors leading to huge changes in the end product. All of this means that the oxygen requirement of Delhi during the peak of the pandemic is under question as far as the task force on oxygen usage set up by the Supreme Court is concerned. Questions are not only being asked about the Delhi government's role, but also how exactly did the hospitals make their reports. The task force interim report has been submitted to the Apex Court via an affidavit filed by the Health Ministry, and a political war of words has broken out even as the task force still waits for correct data.
The BJP has lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party government, accusing Kejriwal of depriving other states of much needed oxygen.
Mr. Arvind Kejriwal was unprepared for the second wave despite the warning by the central government, and because he was only consumed in advertisements, he failed in his duty, and to cover up his mistakes, all he tried was to shift the onus to the central government.
थोड़ी भी अगर शर्म है तो बाहर आके प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करें और देश की जनता से, दिल्ली की जनता से नहीं, देश की जनता से माफ़ी मांगे, क्योंकि उन्हीं की वजह से और उन्हीं की घनौनी ये राजनीति की वजह से पूरे देश में पैनिक क्रिएट किया गया और इसी तरीके की वो राजनीति करते भी आए हैं। तो बाहर आइए, देश की जनता से माफी मांगिए।
But the Kejriwal government has dismissed all criticism. Their defense, believe it or not, is to claim that there is no such report.
हमने इस ऑक्सीजन कमेटी के, इस ऑक्सीजन ऑडिट कमेटी के सदस्यों से बात की, कई सदस्यों से बात की है। सबका ये कहना है कि उन्होंने तो कोई रिपोर्ट साइन ही नहीं की। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता सुबह से जिस तथाकथित रिपोर्ट के हवाले से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को गाली दिए जा रहे हैं, वैसी कोई रिपोर्ट एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती।
Under fire, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal made an emotional appeal. He said his only fault was that he fought for the breath of 2 crore people. With Nalini and Anisha Mathur in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
The highly infectious